Hi friends, welcome to NR Family Kitchen. In today's video, we will see the nutrition values of quail's egg. And now, how to cook. Bring water to boil. Carefully place eggs in and cook for 2 minutes. Then transfer it to cool water bowl. Then crack the shell to enjoy the healthy and tasty boiled eggs. You can enjoy the quail eggs boiled, scrambled, poached or however you like. They are best eaten raw. Quail's eggs are rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals compared to chicken eggs. It's also rich in good cholesterol. It helps improve immunity and fight allergic symptoms. Protects vision in children if consumed regularly. Thank you for watching NR Family Kitchen. To watch our new videos, do not forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.